What's up, guys? Your boy Big Gay here with another video. I hope you guys are staying safe, keeping your loved ones safe, and all that good stuff. I know it's not easy to stay home, but we got to do our part to flatten that curve, man. You know, like you guys, I wish I was out there hunting and doing all the other stuff that I normally like to do and enjoy doing with my family. But we got to do our part and beat this thing, man. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's get started. These pieces here are pieces that I've either bought online or I've purchased at Target or Walmart. So I'm gonna get started with this piece right here. This is an old super treasure hunt. It's the 1970 Chevelle SS Wagon. This one I purchased on Amazon. And as I've shared with you guys before, I've noticed that the old treasure hunts super treasure hunts, pardon me, are much better looking than the new ones. I mean, I'm not taking anything away from the new super treasure hunts, but the more I check these out, the more I like them. So I think I'm gonna focus on collecting these first, and then gradually work my way to the new super treasure hunts. So check this out, guys. It's got the nice little TH there, the gold plated rims. It says Fire Chief. You can see the rubber wheels. I'm not sure what year this came out, but it certainly came out in the mid 2010, 2015, something like that. Anyways, guys, I'm not too sure. But anyways, as you can see, it's a really cool piece. This guy is staying in this protector right here. So hope you guys like it. You guys can tell me what you guys think in the comments. This other one here, I also purchased online. I got this on Mercari. I bid on it. I won the bid, and I just got this one yesterday in the mail. So this one is not a super treasure hunt, but it is a regular treasure hunt. You can see that treasure hunt logo right there. And I love this piece, man. I really like it. So tell me what you guys think about this in the comments. But I've never seen anything like this. I wish it were a super treasure hunt, but it's cool. I'll take it. I also picked up this 1967 Ford Mustang, and this is the Eleanor, known in the Gone in 60 Seconds movie. And this is a green machine, as you can see. Pretty cool. This one I picked up from Amazon. So I'm very happy that I found this piece. It's also a low number. It's number 12 of I don't know how many pieces were made, but it's a low number, and as you guys know, the lower the number, the more valuable they are. So I'm really happy I found this one. I also picked up this 1967 Impala sports sedan, also a green machine. This is from the Supernatural Join the Hunt series. This one is number 66. Again, I'm not sure how many of these were made, but it's not that bad. I wish it was a lower number, but hey, a green machine is a green machine. I'll take it. Very nice. I'm expecting two other ones. I just haven't received them yet, but I'll be sure to share with you guys when I do get them. I also picked up this TV series Batmobile. This one I got at Target. So pretty cool. Real riders, as you can see right there. I love this piece. This piece, I'm a big Sorry, I'm a big Batman freak. I love anything and everything Batman. So every time I see Batmobile, it doesn't matter if I have it or not, I pick it up. So there you go, guys. Pretty cool. I also found this something like that. The Ghostbusters song from Ghostbusters is what I was singing. So anyways, I'm old school, guys, so I apologize about that. So anyways, guys, check this out. I love the detail on this car. Check that out. I love that little no ghost allowed, or whatever that symbol stands for. I'm a sucker for white well tires, and you can see that this vehicle does have them, so pretty cool. And you know, even better, they're real riders, so pretty cool. I also found this Kit Super Pursuit Mode car. This is really cool. As you can see, the front bumper extends out a little bit. I'm not sure if you can push it in. I'll open it eventually, but right now I don't have you know, proper storage to put them in, and you know, I would really hate for my cars to get you know, scratched, dinged, or damaged some way, somehow. So for now, they're staying carded. So tell me what you guys think in the comments. Pretty cool. I also found this Lamborghini Aventador coupe from the Dark Knight Rises movie. Here we go. And this is one of Bruce Wayne's toys. You know, must be nice to be a multi-billionaire, be able to afford these toys. So pretty cool. Check out those real riders. Not too shabby. I also found this nice Back to the Future time machine. Check this out, guys. And this is a metallic silver. It almost looks like a Zamak, but it's not. Either way, you know, I would have purchased it, because you know, I love Zamak vehicles, but this one is a metallic gray, so pretty cool. Check out those nice real riders there. Pretty awesome. Let's move over to some Fast and Furious vehicles here. This is the Mazda RX-7 FD, or yes, FD. I love the detail on this casting, man. Very, very nice piece. I believe this was Toretto's car, or at least one of them. So definitely one of my favorite castings of this series, and I was lucky to find the entire series. This is, as you can see, one of 5, and here are the other 4 cars that I'm going to be showing you in a moment. So here we go. This is 2 of 5, and this is the Nissan Silvia S15 in a nice gray color. Pretty cool. This car is very, very detailed. You know, I believe most of us, most collectors, are suckers for JDM models, and you know, this is probably one of the most sought-out vehicles that people go crazy for. I love the card art on this, the art on the card art. Whatever, I don't even know what I'm saying, guys. Sorry, but anyways, the artwork on the card, there we go, is pretty cool, pretty awesome. And here we go, we have another Nissan vehicle. This is the Nissan 240SX S14 in a nice gold color. It's got some flames there on the side. Looks like they're brown, and it's got the yellow trim around the brown flames. It's got a little bit of white as well. I'm not digging that that white trim around the wheel. You know, I don't know. You guys might like it, but I don't really like it very much. I wish they would have stuck with like a chrome rim, something more like this, or like this. But anyways, it's still a pretty cool piece. Here we go, the Honda Civic EG. Now this is a sweet piece, man. A lot of people, I've noticed a lot of people are going nuts over this one here. more so than the other two Nissans that I just showed you. But yeah, this is a very nice piece, man. It's got a nice little yellow color. It's got the moonroof. Ooh-wee. Love the black tires, the black rims. Awesome piece, man. This car is sweet. Let's move on to the next one. 2016 Subaru WRX ST1 in white. It also has the white wheels on it. Pretty nice. White on white. Not bad. Love that black spoiler. Pretty cool. Nice little black interior. This car is sweet, man. If it were only real, that way I could take it out and go cruising a little bit. Pretty cool piece. Here's another Fast and Furious piece. This is the 1966 Chevy Nova in a nice gold color. Pretty cool. I love the rims on this car. Unfortunately, I did not find the entire set, but I'm definitely working on it. I've noticed that this set is very hard to find. So, you know, to those of you who have the entire set, congratulations. So far, I've only found this one and this one, which I'm gonna show you in a bit in more detail. But this is a sweet piece, man. I mean, I love this casting. Next one up is the 61 Impala. If you guys remember, this came out, this was part of a 5-pack, but it was very basic. But even then, you know, I've noticed that a lot of people were removing it from the 5-packs, and they were swapping it out with some other odd car that did not belong in the set, and you know, just conveniently going back to the store, getting their money back. This kind of stuff really makes us collectors look bad, man. You know, now I understand why whenever I go hunting, you know, I go to the Hot Wheels sections, and you know, within seconds I have somebody watching me, whether it's a security guard or an employee trying to put something back or whatever. It's very, very uncomfortable and annoying. So if you can't afford this hobby, guys, please don't do it, and don't make us good collectors, honest collectors, look bad. Here we go. Here we go. We have a Nissan Skyline GTR BCN R33. This is another set that is pretty sought out for. This one I only found 3 or 4 pieces. Actually, let's see. I have all of them except for that bone shaker, which you know, it's cool, but I really don't care for it very much. Oh, sorry, I don't have the bone shaker, and I don't have the 67 Camaro, but I do have the other 3, which, you know, are the ones that I care for the most. So, you know, if I don't find the bone shaker or the 67 Camaro, yeah, you know, I'm not gonna miss them very much. So, but yeah, this one's really cool. Gray on gray. Love the little deco there on the front of the hood. Pretty cool. Love that red stripe along the top between the door and the window. Check out that nice little spoiler there. Pretty cool. Next one up is the Volkswagen T1 panel bus. This piece is sweet. So you can see here is a Magnus Walker design. A big fan of Magnus Walker. You know, anything and everything Magnus Walker. You know, I'm all in. So there you go, guys. Sweet piece. And here we go. Not another goodie, oldie but goodie here. It's an 83 Chevy Silverado 4x4. This power wagon is sweet. I understand that it came out on regular as a regular mainline piece recently. I don't know exactly which case it is, L or K, but anyways, guys, it's out there. Hopefully, you guys find it. I'm definitely on the hunt for it, but you know, I only go out to the stores when I absolutely have to. Got a family to think about, so you know I can't go hunting like I used to. But yeah, this is a very, very nice piece, guys. Highly recommend it. It looks a lot better in person. Very, very nice piece. And last but not least, got the 62 custom Chevy pickup. This one I won in a raffle. So I'm very lucky I won this in that raffle. So I think the tickets were going for like $2 a ticket. I bought 3 tickets, so I ended up paying the same as if I would have purchased it at a store, which is about $6 after taxes, at least here in California. So very, very nice piece. Love the surfboard right there. Pretty cool. Hopefully I could find another one. Very, very awesome piece, man. It's got the little white headlights there. There you go. Yeah, the detail on this truck is pretty awesome. Check out that Chevy logo there. Pretty cool. Awesome, awesome piece. There have been many versions of this casting out there, and you know, these castings go by like pancakes, man. I mean, people see them, people buy them. So I'm very lucky I won this. Anyways, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one which casting or castings are your favorite. And I'll see you guys next time, man. Stay safe, God bless, and peace out. Later.